New Zealand has experienced severe declines and extinctions of many native bird species through direct or indirect impacts from rats, weasels, and other introduced mammals. As a result, large areas of native forest remain on mainland New Zealand, but several native forest bird species no longer occupy these forests or only occur at low densities. This nationwide pattern of population decline has reduced the availability of seed dispersers and may compromise the ability of plants to regenerate in these systems. Conservation organizations and land managers are striving to protect and restore native forest bird populations by removing invasive mammal predators from forests and offshore islands in New Zealand. Invasive predators have been successfully removed from many offshore islands, and these sites have aided in the recovery of numerous threatened and endangered species. However, removing invasive predators from the mainland proves challenging, as predator populations are resilient and often rebound quickly after control efforts. Thus, predator-proof fences have been constructed in some mainland areas to exclude predators and provide a means of restoring birds to mainland habitats. Yet, uncertainties remain about the effectiveness of this conservation strategy, and the ability of mainland islands to restore ecological processes, like seed dispersal, is virtually unknown. My research aims to test whether New Zealand's mainland island sanctuaries can enhance overall bird diversity and restore bird-mediated seed dispersal. The mainland island conservation strategy has tremendous potential to be exported to other terrestrial ecosystems where birds and the ecological services they provide are threatened by invasive predators. This is especially valuable in areas where offshore islands are not available. By evaluating the efficacy of this novel approach for restoring multiple species and the ecological services they provide, I hope that my research can offer an example to guide conservation outcomes in other areas of the world where mainland sanctuaries have been established or are under consideration.